Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry sauce for rice. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, 1 medium-sized onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget about 1 inch of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of fragrant curry powder, and half a teaspoon of vibrant turmeric. We'll also use 1 cup of vegetable broth and half a cup of creamy coconut milk. Finally, have some salt and pepper ready for seasoning, and fresh cilantro for a lovely garnish. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a medium-sized pan over medium heat. Once warm, add your finely chopped onion and sauté it for about 5 minutes, or until it becomes beautifully softened and translucent. Next, stir in your minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until they become aromatic. Finally, add your curry powder and turmeric, toasting these spices for about 30 seconds to release their wonderful flavors. With our aromatics and spices fragrant, it's time to build the sauce base. Carefully pour in 1 cup of vegetable broth, making sure to scrape up any delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes to reduce slightly and concentrate the flavors. Then, stir in half a cup of creamy coconut milk, which will add a lovely richness. Finally, season your sauce with salt and pepper to your desired taste. Almost there, reduce the heat to low and let your curry sauce gently simmer for about 10 minutes. This crucial step allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and helps the sauce to thicken to a perfect consistency. Before serving, give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. Once you're happy, ladle your delicious homemade curry sauce generously over fluffy rice. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a burst of freshness, and enjoy your flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.